In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save a video to watch later on YouTube. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open your YouTube app on your smartphone and then go ahead and look for these options down here. Now under this, if you scroll like this, you can see we have an option to save. So if you want to save this video, go ahead and just tap on save like that. And now you can see it is saved when you see this black mark. Now, anytime you want to find the saved video, it's pretty simple. Just head over to your account icon here and then tap on it. And you should be able to see it under history. If you don't see it under history, then you should go to watch later and you should find your video there. So once you tap on your account, now you should be able to find your saved video under watch later, which is under playlist. Also, you can see it is under history here, but these are not videos saved, but this is just history. So for us to find our video under saved list, go ahead and tap on watch later. And here you'll be able to see all your videos that you had saved to watch later. So that's how you can save videos to watch later on YouTube. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.